Hey, what's up, folks? How's it going? This is Avit here, and welcome to Devops Challenge Hub. So let's start with today's interview question. And today we have interview question on CloudTrail. The question is, what are the difference between management event or data event? Or it can be framed like this: which one of these is enabled, is not enabled by default, management or data? So, what are the management events and what are the data events? So, management event is create bucket, run instance, put role policy. So, they are the management events which changes your AWS infrastructure like configuration service, managing permission, right? And they are enabled by default. And usually it doesn't cost extra anything. But data event, the data plane, management event is a control plane. Data events, data plane, these are high volume resource level activities like get update, put update in S3, invoke function in Lambda. Why? Because in S3 bucket, once you create the bucket, you'll be putting maybe 1000 objects. And maybe you will be downloading those objects more than 1000 times or more than that, right? Million times you'll be downloading, user will be downloading. So those events will be like if I start logging them, like it will generate lots of logs. If million people download some movie file which you have uploaded in your movie bucket, right? So, like if you start logging them, it will create a lot of logs. So that's why it will cost extra, and you have to enable. If you want to enable, you have to enable it, and it will cost you some money, right? So they're resource level activities, they're high volume activities, and these are create bucket or attach policy. These are low volume activities. So bucket in your whole project, maybe there are 20 buckets, 30 buckets, 40 buckets. That's it. So once you create, then you're not going to create it again, same bucket. Or even if you create, maybe create delete few times you'll be doing it. But if it is like a data related thing, activities will be more. So that's why they are not enabled by default. For example, if you want to see who downloaded a file from S3 bucket, that is data event, and you will need to explicitly enable them in CloudTrail. So by default, they are not enabled. So data events or a data plane, you have to explicitly enable. By default, they are not enabled. Management events are control plane. By default, they are enabled. So let's go to the quiz section today. So let's have a look at it where we can see. If I go to CloudTrail dashboard and go to event history and see any event, let's say start logging, and here you can see event details. You can see that management event true, event category is management, right? So similarly for data event, it will show data event, right? Event category will be data. Now let's go to the quiz section. You can pause and try to answer. Which type of AWS Cloud Trail events are enabled by default? So which one is enabled by default? We have seen just now. It's management event, right? Management events are control plane. Answer is B. Management events are control plane. Why are data events are not enabled by default in AWS Cloud Trail? Because they will generate huge volume of logs, which may increase the cost. Right? If million people download some file, so movie file or something like that, it will generate huge volume of logs, which may increase the cost. The answer is B. Which of the following type is a management event in AWS Cloud Trail? Which one of the following is a management event in AWS Cloud Trail? So you can pause and try to answer. Get, put, know their data. Run instance. Run instance is a management event. Answer is C. If you want to track who downloaded a file from S3 bucket, which CloudTrail event you must enable? So we must enable data event, right? Answer is B. So that's it for today. Hope you like this video. Please like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And also follow Devops Challenge Hub. I post quiz contest daily, and you can participate in that. And follow my WhatsApp community. I post jobs and interview tips, career tips, etc. So you can join this and say your numbers will be hidden, so it won't be shared with others. Other members won't be able to see your number, so that way your number is safe. You can join this WhatsApp community. It's an announcement only group. And thank you for watching this video. See you again in the next video.